video. Been a really big week for our market. We've had the index run up from 89.40 where it started on Monday to a new record high yesterday of 92.97. We did finish back a little bit, 92.71, but a really big move for the week, 230 points so far. Not much of a lead this morning, so possibly a little bit of a pullback from those highs. Very interesting that the market didn't manage to kick through 9,300 yesterday. Obviously, that 92.97 level getting very, very close, but just couldn't quite get over that 9,300 level. We've set a couple of records this week. Sort of Tuesday and Wednesday were both very strong days, and Wednesday we set a new record, and then obviously yesterday really blew through the previous record to that 92.97 level. A couple of things worth watching. Next week's a really big week for our market for companies reporting results. We've got CBA out and about another 10 or 12 of the major stocks reporting. One of the big things also to watch, Rio Tinto will go ex-dividend on Thursday, pretty substantial dividends, so that's something that the market will be watching for also. I thought I'd highlight this week just a couple of the trades that we've recommended in the last 2 or 3 weeks, just to give people a guide or a bit of an idea how we've been performing. So the first trade we recommended was into the Goodman Group, GMG's the code. We suggested selling puts in the stock, and it's had a really good run up, the stock, from when we did suggest selling those puts. Now trading at over $30 a share, around $30.20. It was trading at closer to $29, even probably about $28.50 when we put that recommendation out. So that's been a great move for the clients that jumped on those sold puts there. We've seen a really good move, and you're probably in a position where we could always look to take profits. Probably just let a little bit more time run out, but a great result there. Another one, which a stock that I've liked for a while, and we've finally started to see some good support come in for it, is Brambles. Suggested clients sell a put at $18.50. Some even sold the $19 put when the stock was trading around the $19.20, $19.30 mark. It's now pushed up over $20 as we've finally seen a bit of peace in that Middle East tension, and obviously the potential of shipping flowing back through the Strait of Hormuz. So that's seen Brambles kick up nicely. So the clients that got into that trade, and they were really attractive premiums. I know I sort of looked at premiums there of around 90 cents for the $19 puts for a couple of people. So really attractive. They certainly have eroded away very nicely. So we could look to take to close it out now. Again, maybe a little bit more time is worth running out and probably get out before the company's due to report, which I think is in about 2 weeks from now. The third trade, and it's one that we've pushed a few times and had a little bit of success, but finally have seen the stock start to move. It was selling calls in QBE. Quite a few clients own the stock, and we're suggesting selling covered calls. We even had a few clients just buy put spreads. And obviously the stock's fallen back pretty heavily. It's come down about $1.50 over the last 10 or 12 days. And looking probably still a little bit expensive, but certainly coming back to a level where it may start to look a bit more interesting for maybe a put in the future. So as I said, lots of stocks reporting next week. It'll be a very big week for results. CBA will be one of the main guides, obviously a huge, our biggest bank, and also a really good guide for how the overall economy is performing with our mortgage books and general lending. So something we'll be watching for. Well, that's it for this week. I know we haven't really got any recommendations. It'll be a really bit of a watch the market and see, and hopefully next week we'll have a few good ideas out once the market's sort of found a new level. Thanks for that. Bye.